Join us on April 24th to celebrate 121 years of OCU and fuel the future through True Blue OCU Giving Day. Let's make this birthday unforgettable together.
One day, one mission.
When you give to OCU, you invest in students like me and our possibility.
In creativity, in leadership, in change makers. And this year, double your impact with our matches and challenges.
And your support helps students like me reach new heights.
This year, we're calling on you to support the college or program that means the most to you. Help us crush the Dean's Challenge, the Great OCU Bake Off.
Celebrate your legacy and time at OCU while you invest in our future.
Because Giving Day is about more than just OCU's birthday. It's about what comes next.
It starts with one gift. That gift builds a scholarship.
That scholarship builds opportunity. Opportunity builds confidence.
Confidence builds bold ideas. And bold ideas, they build the future.
This is what Giving Day is all about.
Building something that lasts and makes a true difference.
Be True Blue, OCU, and be the reason someone's story begins.